So our next exercise is to display different messages on LCD screen by using keyboard. Now, first of all, include your LCD header file, which is #include liquid crystal.h. Okay. Now declare all the pins which are connected to Arduino board. Liquid crystal. First of all, create an object. Okay. Pins are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now let's come to our void setup section. Okay. Open the serial port. Serial.begin 9600. Alright. Now initialize your rows and column of LCD. msg.begin 16,2. Okay. Now set the cursor where you want to print the message. msg.begin. Set cursor. Let's say 00, which means first row, first column. Now print your message. Let's say home screen. Alright. Now let's come to our void loop section. As we know, we are entering our character from keyboard, so we'll write if serial dot level. Now you need to okay, now you need to read the character entered by user, so declare a variable ch equals to serial dot read. Okay, now feed this character to switch statement. Okay, now here we will make the cases. For case A. Okay, first of all you need to clear the previous message. For that you'll write ms.clear. Okay, now set the cursor. msg.set cursor. Let's say I'm writing 1 0. Alright, now print your message. msg.print. Now I'm printing India because I love my country too much. Okay, so break. Okay, now next make your next case, that is case B. Okay, it will remain same because we have to clear our previous message. You can change the cursor. This time it's writing here 0 and 1. Print your message. Let's say USA. Okay, print your next case. Let's say case C. It will also remain same. Now this time I'm declaring 5th column, first row, and print your message UAE. Okay, so I'm also declaring a home screen for H. Okay, set cursor 00. If I enter H, then my home screen should be there. Home screen. Alright, now suppose if the user enter the wrong character, that will all automatically goes to default statement. Okay, now msg.set cursor SOR. Okay, you can print the message msg.print invalid entry. Alright, now upload your code on Arduino board. alright, now open your serial monitor. Here it is. Suppose if I enter A, the message is India. B, message, sorry, I entered the wrong character. B, USA. Okay, C, UAE. If I enter the H, home screen. If I enter the wrong character. Okay, so that's all right. Now let's do our next exercise.